Subscribe! Oh yeah, like, share, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you see when my video is uploaded.
Y'all look like y'all suck on each other's titties every once in a while.
Okay. What?
I'm just being real.
I am so nice. I am so nice. I am.
Hi guys, welcome to Chairs and Benches. Woo! I'm Nayoka.
And I'm Britts.
And today we'll be doing a fun video. We'll be doing the Monkey App Challenge. We'll be doing an accent tag in this video. So we'll be speaking in our Jamaican accent to these random strangers.
Random strangers, yeah.
Yeah. So how we gonna do it?
I think we can start out with like regular English, standard English first, then we'll drop you in a little patois.
Yeah.
Surprise them.
And see how they respond.
How they respond.
So we'll find out right now.
Awkward.
What it is?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, look at him.
Hi.
How long
Hello.
y'all been together?
We're best friends.
Right, sure.
What's your name?
I don't believe y'all best friends. Y'all look like y'all suck on each other's titties every once in a while.
Okay.
What?
I'm just being real.
Well, you're wrong.
No.
Wagwan.
No. Okay, bye.
Well, what?
What the? People are rude. What do you mean?
That
was so rude. Like,
rude.
whenever you have no question.
What? Hi.
Hello.
Hi, sweetie. Hey, the left girl looks like Iron West.
You have a catty? You have a catty?
You look like Iron West.
You have a
The
catty?
left one- What?
You have a catty?
I have a catty?
Yeah.
What? I'm Dutch. Listen, you on the left, the red t-shirt one, you look like Iron West. I'll show you. I'll show you a picture of it.
Oh, she look good, man. She look good.
Where you from?
What you think? You never put enough time.
Sure. Hey, what's up? What's up, little mama? Hey, you fine. Y'all both fine. Y'all both fine.
Hey.
Hey.
Press some time. Press the time.
You're the road tonight, man.
Hey, so this last minute, you know what y'all should do? For the last minute, just for the one time for this. I mean, this last 50 seconds now. Off the titty. Oh, shit.
You have a catty ask her for see for her titties. You not see no titties yourself?
Yeah.
Who the fuck that?
You can ask her for sure if you are titty. Her titties?
Where she at?
Yeah, you have one? You have a catty?
Hey, I got a titty right here. Hey, let me see your titty. I'll show you my titty right here.
Ask your catty for see for her titty.
What's up? Bro, I don't understand what the fuck you're saying. Hold on.
Which part you come from?
Where you coming from, little mom? Hey, what's up?
Hey,
Hi.
What's up?
how you doing?
I'm good. How you are?
Where y'all go tonight?
I'm working right now, honestly. I drive boats.
Oh,
I'm a captain.
You have a catty?
I'm a captain. I drive boats.
You have a catty?
A what?
You have a catty?
Nah, not that. I don't know.
what do you think that mean?
I don't know, but that should sound wrong.
It's
Y'all ladies are pretty as shit.
Thanks.
Alright, what are y'all? Jamaican, West Indian? That sound like
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Yeah.
You like tickers or you like slimmers? You like tickers or you like slimmers?
I like girls with faces like yeah.
Hi.
Hello. Yo, where you guys from?
We were just about to ask you, where you come from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice. Where you think we come from?
What?
Where you think we come from?
You guys sound Jamaican.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you're right. Ask your mother.
You guys from Jamaica or you guys from the States?
We're
Jamaica.
from Jamaica. You did right.
You have a catty?
Damn. No, I'm single.
You understand?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, you ever give a catty bun?
What?
You ever give your catty bun?
Yeah.
Oh, you're honest. That's good.
Of course. Wow. So what you like? What you like? Slimmers or tickers?
Tickles.
Oh, really?
Nice.
Oh wow. Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel? I just started.
Oh, I would. Yeah, I'll subscribe to you.
Yeah, it's called Chairs and Benches TV, guys. So those first two guys are actually good. They understood our accents really well, surprisingly. Okay. Hi.
You don't like him open the mouth?
Y'all was too much. Like y'all made me shy. My bad.
We're making them shy, guys.
Oh snap. Hi.
How you doing? Hello.
Good.
Walk on.
Anton, you guys from Canada?
Yeah, you have a catty?
Say that again.
You have a catty?
Say that again.
You have a catty?
I don't. Are you speaking a different language right now?
May I ask if you have a catty?
Wait, is she speaking Patois?
Yes.
Hey.
Hey.
Where you come from?
Where you come from?
I'm from New Jersey in the U.S.
Oh, where your friend come from?
Where you from? Where you come from? Oh, well, I'm from Florida, but like my family, my father's from the islands, so he speaks Patois, so that's how I was just like, hey.
Oh.
Hi. Oh, baby girl will dance for us. It's a concert.
Hey.
Yeah. I can't.
Parents, watch your kids, okay?
Oh, hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Walk on.
I'm good. Well, are you Jamaican?
Yes.
Yes. So you have a catty?
I like Jamaicans. Huh?
You have a catty?
A cat?
Catty.
What's that?
Guess.
What do you think it means?
What?
What do you think a catty mean?
I don't know. I don't know.
Walk on.
No, am I even Wagwan?
What there?
Where they be at?
Yeah.
You ready? Me, I'm Brooklyn.
You have a catty?
No, me not look at you.
Oh. Where you come?
I'm not picking yet.
Oh, you Brooklyn you come from?
Yeah, me not picking yet. Me not look at you right now. Where there? Me single there.
Single. Oh.
Where there?
Where they are Canada?
Canada. Oh, you're too far, dogs. You're too far. That's not far. That's a driving way. What you mean?
If you didn't have a catty, you get a bun. If you didn't have one,
You know what you said? What?
You give a catty bun?
catch it, but we don't buy nothing.
What you saying about nothing?
Yo, bun over here mean different things. So what do you mean by bun?
Mean if you give a cat a bun.
No, I mean about nothing.
Which part you come from?
Where bun? What?
The only thing we buy is big split.
Where you come from? What bun mean? What bun mean?
Bun means like no dick or you burnt up.
Oh.
That's what the fuck bun mean over here. I don't know what the bun mean over there.
It means
You like to cheat on your girlfriend.
It means to give your butt.
We're not cheating, we're faithful.
Faithful.
Oh. So what you like, slimmers or thickers?
Slimmers. I like both.
You
Yeah,
like
both. My ear one over there says a slimmers.
Slimmers. Okay.
We like slimmers too. What do you mean?
Slimmers or thickers. You do have the right answer both. No bias.
You don't know.
I just like beautiful people. I'm more of a internal thing.
That's how you should be.
You feel me? That's why I'm single.
Una on the road? Una on the road tonight?
No, we're chilling, dog. Smoke up.
Una not gonna away?
No.
Oh. Alright, it was nice talking. It was nice talking.
Nah, we not even Jamaican, we Haitian.
Later. Later. So, I think that is the end of this video. This is how people respond to us asking questions in Jamaica. None of them they understand. Though.
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot of people understood what we were asking.
And everybody kind of guessed where you came from.
Yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below which person you guys find the most interesting or what you guys found the most funny. And if you think we should do this challenge again and to do like another question or another thing on the Monkey app, let us know down below. All right, guys. Bye. We're going to bed now. I want to sleep.